If you make content for social media or YouTube, or even if you take regular video conference calls for work, and you want to make sure that your video looks as professional and polished as possible, then I have a product here with me today in the studio that will be of interest to you. This is the JOBY Beamo Studio Deluxe Lighting Kit, and it includes this tabletop stand with sturdy base, this top key light, the adjustable Gorilla Pod arm for your smartphone, and you even get a coloured background light to help you change the colour temperature of your shot. All of this in a well-designed compact solution that doesn't take up much room at all, but boasts loads of adjustability so that you can get the lighting, the height and the angle just right. All of which I'll show you in just a moment. But first, what you really want to see is, does it really work? And yes, it really does. It's tricky though to show you in the studio here the improvement that you'll get because of course we've got professional studio lights on. So let's take a trip to my kitchen, which is where I take all of my video calls for work and shoot any social media content. So here we are in my kitchen, and I've chosen an area that, I'll be honest, I wouldn't ordinarily film in, but we've got natural light coming in through here from the conservatory. Even though I've got the blinds down, it's actually coming through the roof, so it's really washed out. It looks awful. Let's put the JOBY key light on first of all, and straight away you can see how that totally changes the look of the shot, and it's something that you could actually shoot in. Of course you can play around with the temperatures, so I'll do that now. So you can go warmer, and then you can go cooler, and then you can go more neutral, and again, you can play up and down with the brightness of each of those modes. So it just gives you something that you can really work with. So hopefully that demonstrated to you the difference that can be made in terms of professional looking content with just the press of a button. The key light that you see here has built-in soft lens light diffusion with 3 colour temperatures, warm, cool and neutral, and it's got 10 levels of brightness to choose from. Then for even more customization and professional looking shots, you have the background light, which is here. This has got 12 colours to choose from red, yellow and blue, right through to green, purple and pink. And again, it's got 10 levels of brightness. The table stand that you can see here, it gives you plenty of adjustability in terms of height and also angle. And the Gorilla Pod arm that you mount your phone in, you can use that in portrait or landscape mode, and you can move it up, down or angle it, making sure you get your shot spot on. I found the JOBY Beamo Studio Deluxe Kit particularly useful on video calls where I've been able to take them hands-free and take notes if I need to. And I always receive lots of positive comments from people thinking I'm in my own well-lit studio. The beauty of this though being that the key light is far softer than a ring light that lots of people use, so you don't get that giveaway ring in your eyes, and of course it's more flattering with loads more adjustability. You can buy yours now at Scan Pro Video, or you can check out the wide range of fantastic JOBY products aimed at social media and content creators, including tripods, lighting, mounts, mics and more. And you can also watch a video that streamer Rage Darling made about another great solution by JOBY to enhance your video. That's their compact action kit. The link for that is below. And for any further help or advice, don't hesitate to get in touch with our helpful pro video team.